Welcome back. Now that we have our HTML structure in place, it looks like pretty plain. It's time to bring our Weta app to life using CSS. First, we link our CSS file. Then we start in our CSS file by defining CSS variables inside the root selector. This makes our code cleaner and easy to manage. We have variables for background colors, for shadow, for border, and button colors. Next, we target the body element. We set a simple sans serif font and use our background variable. Crucially, we use display flex, justify content center, and align item center. We use these to perfectly center the entire app container on the screen. Now save. Here we still need to add the page height and margin. We style the main container div using our background app variable bgapp. Add some padding, give it rounded corners, and apply our shadow variable for depth. And then center the text with text align center and width. Now let's style the input field and the button together. We set padding and a standard font size, making them look uniform. We give some margin, bottom. We also apply a subtle border using our border color variable. For the button specifically, we apply our primary background color variable bgbutton. Make the text white with color bgapp and remove the default border. And we will use cursor pointer. We add a hover effect using the hover pseudo class. When the user hovers over the button, the background color changes. Here is an important part. We set the main weather results area to display none. We do this because we only want the result to appear after the user enters a city and clicks the button, which will be handled by JavaScript later. Finally, we style the individual results. The temperature temp is made large and bold, while the description is given a slightly muted color and is set to capitalize automatically using text transform capitalize. And that's our finished styling. Our app now looks clean and centered. We have used CSS variable and modern layout technique. In the final video, we will write the JavaScript to fetch real weather data and make this app fully functional. Don't forget to like and subscribe.